Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I made this intro using Capcut on my iPhone, so let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up Capcut and you're going to click where it says new video. Then you're going to go to where it says library and you're going to find this black screen here. You can search what it says at the top to find it, or any black screen will do. Then you're going to drag it out to about 5 seconds long. Then at the bottom, you're going to click where it says effects and then video effects, and you're going to search smoke or mist. Either one will do. You're going to click that first one there that says mist, and then you're going to double click on it so that you can adjust it, and you're going to put the speed down to about 15 and the atmosphere to 40. Then you're going to hit cancel, and then you're going to click the check mark and you're going to drag it all the way out. Then you're going to click on video effects again, and then in the search bar you're going to search Twinkle 2, and you're going to click on the first one there, and then you're going to click on it again and you're going to put the speed down to 12 and leave the atmosphere alone. Then you're going to click the check mark and drag that one out as well, and this is how the background should look. Then from here, you're going to exit out of Capcut and you're going to go into your search engine. I'm using Safari, and you're going to search dafont.com. Then you're going to see a search bar on Dafont and you're going to search Amsterdam. Then you're going to click on the first one there and you're going to click the button that says download. Then you're going to click the button that says download again, and at the bottom you're going to see a circle and you're going to click on it. That's where your downloads will go. Then you're going to click download again and you're going to click on where it says Amsterdam. It's going to take you to your files. You're going to hold down on the font, click uncompress, and go back to Capcut. Then when you're in Capcut, you're going to go to text and then add text, and then you're going to go to fonts, and where it says my fonts, you're going to click on that, click the plus add button, then click where it says my fonts. Then in the search bar search Amsterdam, and then you're going to click on it when you see the font you would like. You're going to click open and it's going to add the font and change the font for you. You don't have to do all these steps if you do not want to. You can just choose a font inside of Canva that you like, but if you want the same font that I'm using, those would be the steps. And I'm also going to have the font link down below so you don't even have to search dafont.com. Then once you have the font you would like, you are going to type in your channel name and then you're going to make it bigger and you're going to center it. Then you're going to click on styles, you're going to click on glow, and you're going to click the free one that's there, and you're going to put the intensity to about 30, and then you're going to drag it all the way out. Then you're going to click on the text again, you're going to click on animations, and you're going to find this animation snow light blur, and you're going to put it to about 1 to 1.5 seconds, and this is how it should look. That is a pro animation, so if you do not have pro, you can just choose any other animation of your choice. Once you have that, you are going to exit out of Canva and you're going to go into your eraser app or website. I'm using Photoroom, but I always have an eraser website linked in the description below. You're going to erase the background of your photo. Then you're going to click on transparent. Then you're going to click on the image and you're going to click on shadow. Then scroll until you find custom. Then you're going to click on move 2D and you want to move the shadow till it's right behind her. Then you're going to click the save button at the top and then you're going to go back into Capcut. Then you're going to click on overlay and then add overlay, and then you're going to click on photos and you're going to add the photo right in the background and you're going to drag it and center it. Then you're going to make sure you drag it all the way out, and this is how it should look. Then from here, you're going to click on the photo and click on animation, and you're going to click flash in, and you're going to put it to about 1 second, and this is how it should be looking. Once you have everything looking like that, you're going to click on export, and I click on quality and shut off the AI Ultra HD, but that's just my preference. Then I'm just going to save it to my device. Then I'm going to click at the top where it says new video, and then I'm going to add that video that we just saved into a new project. And this is going to be the final project where we do the final editing. In the front, you're going to see an option that says cover, and you want to select a cover that you're going to remember so you can go back to it. Once you do that, you are going to click the X at the top. Then you're going to see 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner of the project. You're going to click on rename, and then you're going to type in final or something you're going to remember, and we're going to go back to that project later on in the video. But for now, you're going to click where it says plus new video, and then you're going to add the same black screen that you added for the first slide, and you're going to drag it out to about 5 seconds long. Then you're going to click where it says overlay and add overlay. Then you're going to choose a video of your choice, and this video is going to go to the left side of the screen. So once it's in the project, you want to zoom in until you get it the size you would like, and you're going to drag it to the left. Then from here can be a little bit tricky. So at the bottom, you're going to scroll all the way until you find the option that says mask. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to see a button that says horizontal. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to see a horizontal yellow line go across the screen. You're going to put your 2 fingers and you're going to drag it until it's now a straight vertical line. Then you're going to click where it said horizontal again, and now it has the lines that are adjust. You're going to click where it says feather, and you're going to move the scroll wheel until you no longer see harsh lines anymore. It should literally feather it out, and you're going to see me do that here, and you're going to drag it. I'm putting mine to about 63, but again, it might differ depending on your photo or video. Then from here, I'm going to zoom in and get my video the way I like it to look on this side of the screen. So you're just going to make any adjustments so you get the video the way you like it to look. Then I clicked on the video again, and I clicked on where it said speed, and I lowered my speed a little bit because I felt like my video was too fast. So I put my speed to 0.6 seconds, but you may or may not have to do that depending on your specific video. And since I made the speed a little bit longer, I decided to cut the end so that it fits the length of the video, and this is how it should look so far. Then from here, you're going to screen record your Instagram, and it's okay if you do not have enough photos on your Instagram to screen record. You can just add any video. But I'm just going to click on overlay and then add overlay, and then you're going to add the screen recording into Capcut, and you're going to adjust it till you just get the feed part. You don't want the beginning part with all the white. So you're just going to cut that part out, and you're going to drag it, and then you're going to push it back to the beginning. Once you have it the way you like it to look, you're going to zoom in and you're going to turn it like I'm doing here, and you're going to put it to the right side of the screen. Then I clicked on the screen recording and I clicked speed, and I put my speed to 0.2, but it's all going to depend on how fast or slow you scrolled, so you may or may not have to change the speed again. But I'm just going to cut out any extra that is there so that it fits the length of the video. And then from here, we're going to do the same steps as we did before with the left side. You're going to scroll until you find mask. You're going to click where it says horizontal, and you're going to drag it now so that the line is on the left side, and you're going to feather it out just like we did before. You can use the circle with the arrows in it, but I recommend for a beginner using the feather option and putting it to about 50%, 60%, and then adjusting it to get rid of the harsh lines. And this is how it should look. And I'm making mine a little bit bigger and moving it a little bit more to the right. Then you're going to click where it says effects and then video effects, and then in the search bar you're going to search smoke or mist again, and you're going to click that first one there that says mist. Then you're going to click it again to adjust it, and you're going to put the speed to 12, and you're going to put the atmosphere between 30 and 40, and you're going to drag it all the way out. Then from here, you're going to click on overlay and then add overlay. Then you're going to go back to library, and you're going to select the same black screen that you have been selecting for this whole video, and you're going to click on it and you're going to add it. Then you're going to go to opacity, and you're going to put the opacity to about 50%. And it's just going to add a black overlay over the screen so that it's not so bright. Then from here, you're going to add text, and you are going to type in connect with me, and you're going to type connect, then click return, then type in with me. Then you're going to go to fonts, and you're going to click where it says classic, and you're going to click this one here that says Inter-Blk. Then you're going to go to styles, and then you're going to click on spacing, and you're going to put the line spacing to -6, and then you're going to zoom in and drag it all the way out. Then from here, you're going to click on styles, and then you're going to click on glow. Then you're going to select the free one, and you're going to put the intensity to 30, and this is how it should look. Then from here, you're going to go into your search engine, and I'm using Safari, and you're going to search white Instagram PNG or whatever social media you would like. Then you're going to click on images and you're going to scroll to the bottom or till you find one that you like that the background's already erased. Then you're going to hold down on it and click save to photos. Then you're going to do the same thing with another social media. I'm using TikTok. So you're going to search white TikTok logo PNG, and then you're going to click images and you're going to scroll until you find one that has the background already erased. You're going to hold down on it and click save to photos. I'm going to have the ones that I use linked in the description below so you don't have to go searching for it. But then from here, you're going to go back to Capcut, you're going to click on overlay and add overlay, and then you're going to add the Instagram logo that we just saved into it. Then you're going to drag the Instagram so it's below the connect with me. Then you're going to click on the text that says connect with me. You're going to scroll until you find duplicate, and then you're going to delete the text that says connect with me, and you're going to type in your social media username. Then you're going to go to styles and you're going to find where it says case, and then you're going to click the one that's all uppercase, or you can just type it in all uppercase, whichever one is easier for you. Then you're going to do the same thing with the second social media. Again, I'm doing TikTok. You're going to click on overlay and then add overlay. You're going to size it above the Instagram logo so it's the same size. Then you're going to move it so that it's right behind the first username. You're going to drag it all the way out. Then you're going to go to text and you're going to duplicate the username that you had for the first one. Then you're going to drag it out and you're going to move it to the other side. Then you want to get it as aligned as you can, and this is how it should look. Then you're going to go back into your Eraser Wrapper website. Again, I'm using Photoroom, and you're going to erase the background of another image. So you're going to watch me do that here. Once you have that saved, you're going to go back into Capcut and you're going to click on where it says overlay and then add overlay, and then you're going to click on photos and you're going to add the photo that you just erased the background to, and you're going to put it right over the edge of the Instagram scroll on the right side, and then you're going to drag it all the way out, and this is how it should look. Once you have that, you're going to click on the image, you're going to click animations, then you're going to click on the animation fade in, and you're going to put that to about 1 to 1.2 seconds, and this is how it should look. Once you have that, you're going to click on export and then you're going to click save to device, and we're going to add this video that we just saved into the final project. So the one before that we saved with the cover that we typed final, you're going to click on that, then you're going to click on the white button with the plus sign, and you are going to add that slide into the final project. So right now it should have the first slide and the second slide in it. Then you're going to click the X and get out of that. Then you're going to find the first slide that we created with the channel name, and this is the way it should look. Then you're going to exit out of that. Once you exit out of that, you are going to see 3 dots at the bottom right hand corner of the project. You're going to click where it says duplicate, and now we're going to edit in the duplicated version. So you're going to click on the new version that you just created, and you're going to click on the photo. You're going to delete the photo. Then where the text is that has the channel name, you're going to click on it. You're going to double tap on it. You're going to delete your channel name, and then you're going to type in subscribe. Once you type in subscribe, you're going to click the check mark and you're going to move it to the left side and make it smaller. Then from here, you're going to click on it again. You're going to click on animations and you're going to shut off the animation. There should be no animation on it. Then from here, you're going to go to Photoroom or whatever Eraser Wrapper website you're using, and you're going to erase the background of one more photo, and you're going to watch me do that here. Once you do that, you're going to go back into Capcut and you're going to click on overlay and add overlay. Then you're going to click on photos and you're going to add that photo that you just erased the background of. And this is going to go on the right side of the screen. You're going to make it bigger and adjust it till you get it the way you would like yours to look. And you're going to adjust the subscribe button as well until you get it the way you would like it to look. And once you have something like this, you're going to click where it says export, and then you're going to click save to device, and we're going to add this last slide into the final project. So again, you're going to go to the final project with the cover that should have the first and second slide, and you're going to add the third subscribe slide to the project. And this is what you should have so far. Then from here, I'm going to shrink each slide down to about 3 seconds long because I felt like 5 seconds was too long each. So I'm just going to shrink each one down to about 3 seconds. So you're going to watch me do that here. Then from here, I'm going to go back to the beginning and we're going to add transition slides. So you're going to see a white box with a line through it between each slide, and you're going to click on it, and we're going to click on the search bar and you're going to search shadow wipe. And I'm going to click this first one here and I'm going to drag it out to about 1 second. Now this is a pro transition, but there are plenty of free options to choose from if you do not have pro. And this is how it should be looking. Now I feel like my second slide is a little too long, so I'm just going to adjust it and play around with it. A lot of the intro is playing around with it and trial and error, so just play around with yours till you get yours the way you would like yours to look. Then for the second slide to the third slide transition, you're going to click on the white box and you're going to search white smoke, and you're going to click on that first one there, and I put mine to 1 second, and I'm going to click the check mark, and this is how it would look. Then I felt like the end was too long, so I just shrunk it down a little bit. Then I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to the second slide because I felt like it was lacking it, so I clicked on video effects, and then in the search bar I'm going to search Twinkle 2, and I'm going to click on the first one there. Then I'm going to click adjust and I'm going to put the speed down to 12 so it matches the rest of the intro. Then I'm just going to drag it out so that it fits just the second slide, just because that's how I wanted mine to look. You could drag yours out all the way if you wanted, but I'm just going to do some last minute adjustments to the actual intro slides. Once you have that, you are going to watch it back and see if you like it the way it looks. Once you like it the way it looks, you're going to click on add audio. It's a gray bar right underneath, and I just extracted an audio right underneath mine, but you can add songs from Capcut, whatever you would like. And once you like the way it looks and sounds, you're going to click at the top where it says export. Then I'm going to click quality and I'm going to shut off the AI Ultra HD, put the resolution to 4K at 60 FPS and save it. And this is the final intro.